Good morning and good evening. Welcome to this course on Microsoft Visio and UML modeling. This course is designed for business analysts and for anyone who works on requirements analysis and modeling. By end of the course, you'll have an in-depth understanding of the Microsoft Visio tool, UML modeling, and how to use the tool to create use cases, process diagrams, and class diagrams for a software application. This course is divided into 5 sections. Section 1 will deal with the basics of Microsoft Visio and UML diagrams. I'll explain the basics of use cases, scenarios, activity diagrams, and class diagrams. This section will also include a quick walkthrough of Visio tool. Section 2 will focus on use cases and how to create use case diagrams in Visio. This section will also include a hands-on lab session. Section 3 will deal with scenarios and activity diagrams. Just like the previous chapter, this chapter will also have a hands-on lab session. Section 4 will focus on the concept of data modeling and creating class diagrams. And just like the previous 2 chapters, this section will also have a hands-on lab session where I'll be taking you through an example of creating class diagrams for a particular scenario. The course will also have an assignment, which is like a case study and a project, and we'll also provide you the solution to the assignment. Both of these things will be available in your LMS portal. What I suggest is you first try it yourself and then look at the solution. As an IT professional, I have spent more than 29 years in the IT industry and have considerable experience working as a business analyst. Through this course, I want to enable you to perform your day-to-day role as a business analyst with ease and with higher efficiency. Join me as I take you through this course where you will be learning about UML modeling and the MS Visio tool. See you in the first section of this course.